Hello and welcome to another video on the MotoPress YouTube channel. My name is Valerie and today's video is about hotel booking PriceLabs Integration, a new product in the hotel booking lineup. With the hotel booking PriceLabs Integration add-on, you can connect PriceLabs to your hotel booking website. PriceLabs analyzes factors like demand, seasonality, local events, and competitor prices to recommend optimal rates for each night. Our extension, in its turn, automatically updates room rates on your site, so no more manual rate adjustments. The add-on will save your time and help you make more money by keeping your prices competitive. But before we get into the main part of this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. And if you're looking to skip ahead to specific sections covered in this video, we've got you covered. Check out the timestamps conveniently listed in the description box below. Simply click on the timestamp next to the section you're looking for and jump right to that part of the video. It's that easy, so feel free to navigate to the content at your own pace and find exactly what you're looking for. And now let's jump in. So first of all, what is PriceLabs? PriceLabs is a handy tool for hospitality businesses that maximize their revenue by dynamically adjusting their prices. Essentially, it's like having a personal pricing assistant for your hotel or vacation rental. It analyzes a bunch of important information like demand, local events, and what competitors charge to recommend the best prices for your rooms. This means you can always stay competitive without constantly checking what others do. It's a game changer for businesses looking to boost their bookings and revenue without all the guesswork. The MotoPress team, in its turn, has done its best for this collaboration to allow hotel booking users to automatically update their rates on the website with the prices from PriceLabs. And if you add the hotel booking PriceLabs integration extension to your site, you won't have to spend time creating or keeping track of rate changes or seasonal costs for each property anymore. The extension does it for you. Before you can start using the hotel booking PriceLabs integration add-on, there are a couple of requirements you need to meet. Firstly, ensure that your hotel booking plugin is version 1.11 or greater. This version or later includes the necessary features and compatibility for integration with PriceLabs. Secondly, you'll need an active PriceLabs account. And if you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up for their service and add listings from any PMS or OTA supported by PriceLabs. Once these requirements are fulfilled, you'll be all set to integrate PriceLabs with your hotel booking plugin through the new extension. So I've just logged into my PriceLabs account. Your pricing dashboard will show you imported properties from all your accounts connected to PriceLabs. In addition, you will notice multiple columns. For example, the bedroom number and the city from which the listing is located, minimum price, base price, and maximum price. And as you may guess, base price is the average nightly rate of your listing throughout the year, and it is one of the critical components of the algorithm. And the base price can be either calculated by PriceLabs or it can be provided by you. Minimum price is the lowest price you can set for a listing, and PriceLabs recommendations will never go below this value. And maximum price is the highest price you can set for a listing. And again, PriceLabs will never exceed this price. Last synced indicates when the listing was last updated and the status of your listing's sync. And sync prices toggle shows the listing's current sync status. And if the switch is on and green, PriceLabs will update prices every night. Otherwise, if it is off and grayed out, PriceLabs will not change prices on this listing. There is also a search field that you can use to quickly find the listing you want to look at. And it's useful if you manage dozens of listings. The calendar shows recommended prices for each available night in the future. You might notice that each day has a different price, and this is the magic of dynamic pricing. In general, the prices fluctuate around the base price based on factors like season, meaning time of the year, or peak versus lean seasons. Another factor is the day of the week, weekends versus weekdays, also depending on the location. The price can be also influenced by supply and demand fluctuations due to a holiday or event, or how far out date is. So close-in dates get a last-minute discount. If you want the prices to update right away, hit the Sync Now button and allow up to 15 minutes for the prices to update on your listing. Now let's talk about calendar indicators. These indicators help you better understand the data displayed on your calendar. For instance, color coding shows us the levels of market demand. Light green means low demand. For example, dark blue means high demand. Great dates show the unavailable dates, and there are booking info indicators as well. When you hover over the rates on the calendar, you'll get a pop-up showing why a certain price was suggested. Basically, it will tell you about how much demand there is, how many places are available, and if there are any special pricing rules for certain times or occupancy levels. And now we're finishing the tour of the pricing dashboard and calendar, and I'm going to show you where to find your API key. To activate your API key, go to your account settings, API details. As you see, I've already obtained my API key. The setting is only available on request, and you need to reach out to the PriceLabs support team and simply ask them to enable a custom API for your account. It's usually a pretty fast process, and you should have it up and running on the same day. And once the API key for your account is activated, you'll be notified by email. Then you should go again to the PriceLabs API details menu, click activate, and I've already done this procedure, so now I can click copy API key. Then I go to my WordPress dashboard to the accommodation menu. In the settings, you need to click the extension tab, then PriceLabs, and insert the key into the PriceLabs API key field and save the changes. This should display available PriceLabs listings right in your WordPress. Next, select the matching accommodation from the accommodation type drop-down and save changes. To add every new listing, click Add New Listing and select the matching accommodations from the accommodation type drop-downs. And again, don't forget to save changes. And don't forget about what this notice says. Make sure that the currency in your hotel booking in the general settings is the same as the currency set in PriceLabs. The add-on updates prices twice daily. Now I'm going to manually sync prices by clicking Start Import Now. You might want to use this if you want these changes to be reflected on your direct booking website right away. Actually, you can do it anytime, and a message below will show the last sync time and possible errors. Otherwise, everything runs smoothly and automatically, so you probably won't need to manually control it. Now let's check my website to see how the new rates are reflected. These are the rates of this property before connecting to PriceLabs. And now I'm updating this individual accommodation page for you to see the availability calendar that shows the new prices. Great. Also, we see a new price in the property listing. With PriceLabs, you're swapping out rates in hotel booking for prices sourced and dynamically updated from PriceLabs. Then the extension showcases information from PriceLabs directly on your website. This means you don't even have to create rates in the plugin. However, you'll still need to keep seasons for properties because it's necessary for displaying properties in the search results on your website, at least for now. In a similar way, PriceLabs rates aren't shown through the rates menu in hotel booking. Instead, all price adjustments should be handled separately in the PriceLabs account. Fortunately, there are plenty of settings available to help you customize your prices and make them work in your favor. But if you're already acquainted with PriceLabs, it's far simpler for you to maintain control over prices centrally in one account and utilize your direct booking website for accepting reservations. To conclude the review of the hotel booking and PriceLabs integration by MotoPress, let's sum up the key points. Overall, this product offers a seamless and efficient solution for managing pricing on your website. With this integration, you implement dynamic pricing strategies and automate the process of adjusting room rates based on various factors such as demand, seasonality, events, and competitor pricing. On top of that, there is no more hassle of manually creating and managing rate updates or seasonal costs for every property. This integration saves your time and ensures your prices stay competitive. PriceLabs integration is a hassle-free way to maximize your revenue and keep your rooms booked. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to show your support by smashing that thumbs up button below. Your likes not only motivate us to keep creating content like this, but also help others discover this video. So go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And did you know we have a dedicated playlist just for the hotel booking plugin? That's right. Whether you're looking for tutorials, tips, or the latest plugin updates, our playlist has everything you need to master hotel booking. Just click on the link in the description or check out our channel's playlist section. And of course, as always, if you have additional comments or questions, you can share those in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.